Good morning, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Wednesday, February 12th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about, as always, is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Let's check and see where we left off in the market yesterday on the SPX. So again, bullish until proven otherwise, right? We hit all-time highs. The trend line's been shifted up, right? It's actually tracing the 50 moving average is actually tracing our trend line, which is pretty cool. So we've been working way up. We had a great day Monday, right? Gap down a little bit. They bought the dip, right? Little whoop setup right there. Gave a big Marbozu candle, right? With some momentum. Got some great follow through yesterday. And a little bit of profit taking yesterday, it looks like. So spinning top. So we'll see if that turns into more strength into the open today. If the S&P futures have anything to say about it, they are up pretty strong this morning here. We're up 13 and a quarter points on the S&P futures. So, from yesterday's pullback, right, we had a really nice day yesterday. From yesterday's pullback, right, we had our trend line here, right? We got above it. We had a minor pivot here, right? This is how we do our trend lines, right? Minor pivot here. In the trend box for a little bit, nice breakout candle right here, right? And then started to work our way up. So what that does is that shifts your trend, right? So we go to our levels. We could actually use this level right here if we want to. Like this. So here we are. So trending up nicely this morning. We'll see if that trend continues to hold into the open if we get some momentum today. So hope so. It would always be great to see some continuation on a lot of the long concepts that are out there right now. So let's take a look and see what's going on today. So we have some earnings this morning, or from yesterday and this morning. So Lyft got beat up a little bit yesterday, but it's actually not down that much. I mean, it's really, if you look at it, we are barely below. I mean, the prior day's low, really. So let's see if it gets a reversal today. Could be interesting. But definitely one to keep on the radar today. So that was a lift from last night. We also have Shop this morning. So really looking forward to seeing how this one goes. 40 to 50 point expected move today, so it should be pretty interesting to see if that can actually move beyond that. The premiums were really high, even 50 points out on the options. CVS earnings this morning, they're gapping it up a little bit here so far. I don't think the actual report's been out yet, but it's gapping up with the rest of the market so far. Teva Pharmaceuticals, nice little spike so far this morning. Let's see if it gets some more strength going forward. It has been showing some relative strength recently in this recent little bit of a run up here. So let's take a look. You can see on the daily it's had a nice little earnings run as it's worked its way up here. So we're seeing that. We have a couple of upgrades this morning. We got QCOM. QCOM had a decent day yesterday. It had some strength. It gave you a lower upper shadow around that recent Northern Doji, but it is gapping up this morning with the rest of the market, and I believe on an upgrade here. And then MU. Micron gapping up 2 on an upgrade, and the rest of the strength in the market. Win had an upgrade, which is nice. So that came up pretty nicely yesterday. Had a strong day yesterday. A little bit of an upper shadow at the 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average is about 134.03. So we're gapping over the 50-day moving average. That should be pretty nice. So definitely keep this one on the radar as well. If we're at 137, we got some areas right here that could be interesting. Right, we had a close here at 140.09. And that's still a closing gap to be filled. Of course, we have the open gap above. Not saying that's all going to get hit today, but it's nice to see some follow through strength and win. And obviously they need to start getting their business back after the coronavirus finally gets contained over in Asia. That would be great for win. So keep that on the radar with that. And then from there we are just looking at the rest of the market today. Again, Roku and Nvidia are also reporting this week. So Roku tried to give a push yesterday. It is up about a point or two pre-market here this morning. So let's see if we can get a little bit of an earnings run like Nvidia did so far, which has had a real great run here from this inside day. Another very, very narrow range inside day right here, which gave a great pop up on Monday. So, all right, guys, we'll keep an eye on those, and hope everybody has a wonderful trading day today. And we'll catch you guys at the lunchtime market update. Of course, if you're in the group, we'll be going live at this morning and checking out our scans for the open and intraday. And really pumped about it because they're giving us some great opportunities. So, hope to see you there. And remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys soon.